Canadian professional tie-down roper, and I'm here to talk to you about Cowboy Country's Lazy Bee timed event calf roping saddles and why I ride them. With TJ here. This is a saddle I've been riding for 3 years, and it's a saddle that fits TJ the best. It's a tree we developed. We call it the Logan Bird calf roping tree because I developed it because it fit TJ the best because he's kind of a hard horse to fit. I had 2 saddles custom fit for him from a saddle maker in the US, and neither of them really fit good. He's a hard horse to fit, but he's easy to tell if they fit because he works every time, and if you put a saddle on him that doesn't fit, he doesn't work as good, so you know right away. So it took me a while to come up with one that fit him and me. I had one that fit him well, but I didn't feel like I could stay to the front of it as good, and I missed 4 calves in a row one weekend, and I came back and I switched to this saddle, and after I switched I placed at 10 out of 14 rodeos in Canada, and I won season leader in 2016 that year, and I've been riding it ever since. I won the Canadian title in it in 2017, and Shane Hanchy won it this last year, so it's been really good for me. The thing I like about it is how it's easy to stay to the front of, just the way the cantle is and everything. I like to have extra wide stirrups on it. I like that because I like my foot to be able to come out easy. Some people don't like that as much, but I really like having extra wide stirrups so I don't have to worry about ever hanging a toe. And then the extra wide back cinch. I think it's important for the horse to just have some area to disperse when you take a big jerk, when you're roping big calves and stuff, that to have a wide back cinch on a calf roping saddle. So this is Peso. He's my 7-year-old. I'm going to be riding him at quite a few of the rodeos this year. His saddle, it's a little bit different. It's a hog tree, which is pretty common tree for a calf roping saddle. Still has the extra wide stirrups and extra wide back cinch, which makes it still pretty easy. It's still pretty easy to get to the front of, which I like. No saddle is going to fit every horse the same every time. He's a little wider than TJ, has a little less wither, so just going to fit a little differently. And I feel like with these 2 saddles I can fit most calf horses pretty well. I'm going to talk about how it fits a little bit. You want them to not be too high, but not sit right down on the wither, but if it's low, it kind of distributes the hit when you get a big hit. And then you want it to be flat across and flat all the way back, so just kind of touching everywhere, so that really that when the Alright, this is Coon. He's one of my young horses, and this is a new saddle. I've only ridden it 2 times. I had a older trophy saddle on him, and he was starting to nicker in his stop, so I got a new one of these, and he's quit nickering right away. It's the same as the saddle on Peso. It's got a hog tree. It's just newer, so it still looks shiny. It's rough out. I like the rough out, but they'll come with whatever conchos, whatever tooling you want. I feel like these saddles are also really competitively priced. I've had a few of the big name calf roping saddles from down south, and quite a few of them, they can be good saddles, but they're really pricey. I feel like for the price, these are the best quality saddles you can get, especially in Canada.